Yeah, ma obi bi akɔ aba de ba channel we so say ade ba ko na eba besua. De eba besua ne say ye besua kwan ya befa so a day in day out utanya email messages ɛwɔ phone so, but ɛyɛ ebi yɛ email hunu because mfa so obi a ɛma so ma wo nti sɛ aba bɛkyerɛ wo kwan a bɛfa so a email messages na ɛbɛba wo phone so no mfa so betumi ama aba so ama wo ama phone na ekura wo na laptop na ɛwɔ hɔ a wohu de a wo mfa nyɛ no ana wo de hwɛ movies na ade no so mfa so betumi aba so ama wo nti no without wasting much of your time no see the site na tie ye kyerɛ menkyɛ mo kwan a ɛbɛfa so be create account nti de tie nie. First of all no we create the obey nie site no edin de volutic.com nti the obey ne say over type in your username and then you type in your password. Type in your username, type in your password, and then your email address, your password, and then you confirm your password and you enter your referral code. So I'll leave my link in the description below. Wait me here, and you agree to the terms of service and my QA, so I've read and accepted. And actually I want to receive marketing communication, and last but not least you click on register. So this all what you need to do on this website. Yes, so to see I won't ever say be create account enti na me account ni bi na da enti me create fufuro. So I'll just log in into my account and I'll show you how this website works. So let me go back to the home page and show you how this website works. So guys, say na dashboard here. Dashboard no. Or say over here a Gmail message. Watch how to video and now anyway. And first of all, no, over add this email address. Contact Gmail contact list but add this Gmail address or idea one idea unya messages take this from me. So one idea unya messages now was a unya no until be add it Gmail message and let me go straight to my Gmail account. And so as it's loading, please guys don't forget to subscribe and then like this video if only it is valuable to you. Yes, more invisible like now subscribe to this channel because I have more content like this make me upload it. I'm obi so I financially free. So as you can see, me create the account confirmation message so let's look at the activation link bit me the activity an account na ya use so activation link so guys link way and never so this is my username and medicate account in the I will click on this link link here my boss in link here my boss in and that one link in here no without wasting much time no my memo so na yɛhu deɛ ɛwɔ hɔ. Click so a ɛkɔ be a new tab ɛnhwɛ deɛ ɛbɛba na ɛnyɛ bibia ɛmfa ho nti no you will just receive an email messages each and every day. And yes, so return to home page, operation successful, return to home page. Yes, so I'll return to home page and they will move me on to my dashboard, and I'll continue from there. So after activating my account, I need to log in. I was me logging in na me who the into no me logging in into my account, and this is the Gmail message that I typed in. Okay, let me continue. One at gmail.com, and then my password for this one I cannot show you for security reasons. And let me click on login. So they will send you a confirmation code before they will log in. So you can see, as you can see, the website is very legit, because some of the websites they are Ponzi, and if you don't take care, you'd rather be taken by care. But this one, they will send you an OTP for you to type in the OTP before you can log into your account. And nobody, if only the person is having access to your Gmail account, that's where he or she will be able to open or look or open your account. If that person is not having any access to your account, then it will be very difficult for him or her to access your account. So yes, let's wait for it to load, and let's so guys, don't forget to subscribe and then share this video, and last but not the least, comment if you have any question concerning this, please. And if you want me to do videos or reviews about websites, you can comment that website name below for me to do a lot of research about it before I will do a video on it. Yes. So as you can see, this is the message that I got from them. Welcome to Volutic Rich 11. Support. Then there is the official. This is the official Gmail account. This is the official email for the page to read email as of volutic.com. To make sure you receive all emails and don't miss paid emails, add this. You should add this Gmail to our contact list. So let's copy it. Let's copy it. Copy email address, and then more. Okay. Let me try to add this before. So as you can see, welcome back. Please log into your account. Verification code have been sent to your email address. It will be valid for 60 minutes. Enter the code and enter the code to continue. So let me check from my email. And let me check from this place. Yes, so the code is 71 632. So let me enter it. 7163. No, sorry, 32. And then let's confirm. And this will log us into your account. Yes. I think the network over here is delaying us, so we are very fine. Yes. So you can see from the earn money by reading email messages. So this is our dashboard. So as you can see, I haven't earned any money on this dashboard. So let's look at their minimum withdrawal. I think it was $1 or so. So let's check for their minimum withdrawal. Money withdrawal, and you can deposit money on this platform. I don't know what that money can be used for, but you can deposit money on this platform. So the name of this platform is Volutic.com. Volutic.com. And these are their payment method. You have payer, and faucet pay, and our balance is 00. Their fee of charging is 1.5, and meaning if you are withdrawing $100, they will deduct 1.5% from it, and then their maximum or minimum withdrawal is 0.01, which is 1 cent. If you were able to get 1 cent, you can withdraw, and my balance now is 0, and the minimum the maximum withdrawal is $10. So that is it, guys. So that's all for today. If you have any question concerning this, you can link me, or you can ask me in the description below, and you can check your history over here. Whether you have made withdrawals and they are still pending or not. If you have received any withdrawals from this platform, it will be displayed over here, and you can deposit money. You can deposit some money on this platform. Bit me this card too, but I don't know. The says can bit me the idea. A B and A was specific 10 B. A bit me this says can I, and yes. So when you click on deposit, you click on deposit funds. So guys, I will leave major the link in our description. Very easy for you. All you need to do is to click on that link and create an account. And this site is very legit. This is the only way with me making money online in Ghana. Bibia a bit me because we email messages are there each and every day, because from the look of this my Gmail account, I have 3,441 unread messages, or the Amakan Kranka unread messages in 3,141 messages now. And we so we don't use it for anything. A tutorial went here, me yes, we create this Gmail way, but I know because I'm more 5 until let's take is if they are to pay us yes, okay, being frame. So this the name of the platform is Volutic, and let's move on to their referral say casa referral say or refer obi, yes, or refer obi Edenaba platform way. So here we direct, indirect, and link and tools. So I don't know the differences, so let's check in issue internet. You read direct now, you be who dia direct na chere, indirect na so dia chere, and a bia obe use bia no sika obenya. Okay, so from the look you can see that I have referred 0 direct referrals, and I don't have any direct referral over here, and menya any scabia was so yet. And when you go to indirect now, I say, yeah, share indirect and also many referral biya also because a branding account I be create here for tutorial. I have my real account me use it, but for the sake of hackers and internet, I don't want to use my own account to do this, or because the last time I did some video and I'll be hacking my account. I said, I don't want to do. I don't want to use my real account to do tutorials. And this indirect referrals, I don't know what this means, but it's still working, guys. It's still paying 0.1, which is 1 cent. It's cool because 1 cent for referral. No, not for referral. 1 cent as their minimum withdrawal. Obi Timiga say you get $100 before you can withdraw, but we all work hard. Say benya. Until 1 cent there is just um chicken chain kura obi betimi aye anya ni nyina a day kura. And the message that we get is uncountable because with me about bear 20, bear 6, and I'm bear 10 to 20 messages a day. Yeah, and every beba, every beba, and you may be beba. And it's uncountable. If only say when you're lazy, with me, I make money on this platform. And let me check whether say messages in the bank. Yeah, nah, you who said the platform this week. So guys, according to the site, they pay from 0.001 to 0.01 per click. So in addition, we pay commission from referral by earning up to 6 levels. Level 1 is 100% commission. Level 2 is 90%. 3 80%. 4 70%. 5 60%, and then 6 you have 50%. Lastly, we pay you $1 for every referral when your referral earns $1. Yes, so if you refer somebody to this platform and if the person earns $1, they will pay you $1 for as your commission. So that is it. So that, guys, take action, do it, and this will not cost you anything. Yes, so you can give it a try, and later on you can thank me. Please, if you have any question concerning this, please you can leave that in the comment section, and then don't forget to subscribe, like, and then share this video to your loved ones. Please, thank you very much. Thanks for your time.